Good evening, ma'am. Cadet Campus Lance here. A future seafarer and a future captain of a ship someday. For me, the purpose of communications helped me to enhance my English skills, English comprehensions, and English reading skills. It also helps me when I'm applying a job and when I'm applying a company to get on board with. It also helps me to get along with different other people when I'm on board, especially when I'm international on board, because I'm I will not only met Filipino people. I also met different types of people, and they are also have a different languages. So, purpose of communication will enhance my English to interact with them and communicate with them, to speak with them using an English language. It also helps me when I'm providing a intelligence, blah, blah.